It's the voice of Six Boss. You find a song, Dragon?
Yeah. You don't know. More people don't listen to that singing voice because
Yeah.
I find a singing voice from the other day and like I really like it. It's like a little mockingbird, you know. It's like when Bob Marley sing that little song. There's a three little bird was by my doorstep, and then I sing some sweet song.
Yeah.
But just listen to this song right here. People, listen to this song right here, right now. It's the voice of the beautiful lady, Luv'Rell.
I'm unstable as fuck, and I have been for months. After too many bumps, I got cold, I got numb. From the day that you dumped, my ass I just slumped it. Started pouring more rum. I'm so done, I'm done. 'Cause you kept me good. But good people don't last long. No.
This is all star.
And we could be good, but you don't wanna die young. No. So I'ma be pissed to further notice. I'ma be mad about the mess that you live. I'ma be pissed to further notice.
This is the voice of Luv'Rell. She's here this evening with us. Beautiful song. Dragon, you like that song, yeah?
Yeah, I like it. I really like it. I saw that thing. Like, you don't know me as a man, me like do my little research. Me see a little. It's like similar to acoustic session with the song. That one was bad still, man. Not lying. It was a lovely one. Like I would take an acoustic version of this song. You know, like something different. Start off a nice like a slow jam segment in a party and make everybody just start rub off each other clothes, you know? Yeah. Them something there.
Dragon easy, alright. Trust me. People. If you're locked in online, good evening to you. Good evening to everybody that's locked into TGM Radio. This is the UpNlive Show. We do this each and every Tuesday, 9 p.m. On behalf of myself, DJ Rick, the Little Brown Rasta, Dragon All-Star, Fire Q, and also World Mag Entertainment. We call this the UpNlive Show. We got a beautiful singing sensation here this evening. And she's been singing on the internet. She's been singing on the whole of Facebook and Instagram. And she's here with us this evening. Good evening to you, Luv'Rell.
How you doing?
You know, man, all right, we're cool and all these things. We're just happening right now. We're just trending, as my friend would say. We're trending.
Nice. I want to take that home.
Good. You take that home.
Next time someone says to me, how you doing? I'm going to say, I'm trending.
Nice.
Yeah.
No,
What? That's it. Trending. The man say, what's good?
Yeah.
Trending. How you doing? Trending. Life is good.
Calm.
So how you been, though?
Me, I'm tired.
You're tired?
But good.
I can see you working hard, though. You're working hard.
Listen. It's right now. It's all popping off.
It is.
Yeah. So we dropped the Till Further Notice video on Sunday.
Yeah.
And so right now I'm just trying to push it. And,
Yeah, but where you been, though? Because your voice it stands out.
Thank you.
But I've never seen any of your stuff before. It's like, where has she been? I just ran into your Instagram. I'm like, where's this girl hiding? And I realized you're actually in London. What's been happening?
Where did you think I was from? That's dope. What's been happening with me? Do you know what? When you're doing this independent vibe, it really is full of ups and downs. So you'll have one period where it's just active,
Yeah.
and then you kind of got to learn on the job. You know what I mean? So I started off. I kind of say I peaked prematurely because my very first project I released ended up charting on iTunes. Like,
I saw it.
Right?
My favorite track was that I like Hennessy. I was
You
tempted,
like Hennessy?
I was tempted to bring a bottle.
Yeah.
But then I realized that we can't drink in the studio. And then
Oh man, listen, you would have got a different kind of interview from me. You feel me?
See that? No.
I mean, I'm not an alcoholic or anything, but yeah. So this is the thing. So that project did so well.
Yeah.
But like I said, I was learning on the job, so I didn't really have the right follow-up material to come from that project.
Yeah.
So it's like I had this big moment, and then it was just like stop. You know what I mean? So I said, all right, let me pull back, let me work, like take some time, invest in myself.
Yeah.
Like, and just build up the content. So I'm so excited for this year. Like, that's the start of like some really beautiful things to come. I've got some dope stuff coming right now.
I can see that. Dragon, you wanted to say something?
So, I've been doing military research and I haven't seen no live performance on you on the tube.
Yeah, right. So again, when we're talking learning on the job, because I can't tell you how many shows I've done. I've got like folders and folders of different performances, but like when I was doing it, I was just like, oh, people don't really want to. I don't know if people want to see it. So I just never put it up.
But the thing
know what I mean?
The thing is, you see, when you go forward, when you reach where you want to reach, you want to look back at the video and say like, I was at this point and now I'm at this point. If you don't have those videos, you kind of lose that essence.
Oh, listen, I have my hard drive is lit. You feel me? My hard drive is so lit. Every single thing I've done, like every single thing. There was a point where every time somebody like commented on my video, I was like screenshotting it and like I got my little scrapbook. Like, look, just because it's exciting stuff. But absolutely, though,
you want to take your fans on that little journey, and you know what I mean, like because
this is it.
You have some new fan will just jump on the bandwagon now, like all me. So you don't know more and say like where was like.
He's a fan, yeah.
Yeah, where was couple of years ago or a couple of months ago, you don't know. Like, so if you're showing it, we can see the growth. How much the growth? Cause I don't want to jump in on the bandwagon. I'm just say like, it's a pretty BMW, you know. Everything up, gas in a car, you don't know everything good. Once from the BMW, they don't want to paint up and thing. And you buy it all like a new rims and thing, you know, fix up the thing.
Yes.
So we like to see the growth.
No, 100%. But you know what? Thank you very much, because like if this is what people want to see, trust and believe, honey.
It is.
I got the files. I got the receipts. I got the receipts. Trust me.
That is something definitely we can say about your music in terms of the productions. The quality seems to remain consistent.
Thank you.
Have you been working with the same producers?
No, well, yes and no at the moment. So everything we got coming is like the same, like pretty much the same people that I've been working with. I'm like, I'm a relationship person. Yeah. You know what I mean? So like from me and you got a bond. I'm like, right, I'm running with this person. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
But listen, God is good. I ended up like in Paris working with some producers out there, and then I ended up in LA working with producers out there, and then I've got like my bass producers here. Like right now, like I'm messing heavily with Slit, who produced Till Further Notice. We've got some beautiful stuff coming. Yeah. I got an amazing brother in Switzerland called Rafa. Switzerland. Switzerland is levels. I didn't even know. Like wow. Okay, but you know what I mean. So
yeah, got a lot of genius around the world was doing the music.
I'm telling you, it's so beautiful. So like, it just allows me to kind of always keep something going. Because when this lot are busy, these lot are active. Yeah. These lot are busy, these lot are active. So just keep it moving and moving and moving. But yeah, I'm just exploring. I'm really just exploring. I'm like, it's not one thing going on over here. Do you know what I mean?
You can see that.
Like
the video.
There's any other hidden talent otherwise from the singing?
Aside from singing, painting is like a secret.
I really ping on that.
Like I mean,
like Dragon. Look at Dragon. He's probably playing with his chin.
Yeah, I mean, like long before I started singing, I was like, right, I'm doing this art thing.
Okay.
And I was a dancer. I used to be in a dance group for years. I was in a dance group. I never thought I was gonna be a singer. I can tell you that for free.
Like what kind of dance group? They
like
ballet type in our choreography dancing.
We're talking like you know when like
street
You Got
dancing,
Served was the thing.
Okay.
Street dance, yeah, the
Street
break
dance.
Do you know what I
dancing
mean?
thing,
It was
I feel like all of us did go through that phase.
Trust me.
Everybody did.
Trust me.
You remember when this song come out, this Michael Jackson, In My Life, I think that's when everybody turned dancer.
Everybody wanna rock the world.
Yeah.
Everybody wanna rock the world.
I think that year everybody turned dancer for like 1 year.
No, right. Oh my gosh. Listen, that was my life. If you ever told like teenage me that I was gonna be singing now, I'd be like, no.
Nah.
Seriously.
You said teenager. Would you mind discussing your age?
Absolutely, I would mind for sure. I'm old, babe.
It's a serious subject.
So teenage years. How long was that ago?
It was long, babe.
It's long ago.
It was long.
Okay, so I'm trying to.
It was long.
Okay.
You know what I mean?
No, I'm trying to listen. You know, people. I know guys gonna be watching now. I wanted to ask a question, so I'm just cheeking trying to get it out.
It's not coming.
Okay, cool. We'll get there eventually. The new video
But
that
you know what did Stormzy say? I'm a big man, but I'm not 30. I'm gonna leave it there. You know me? I'm a big gal.
That's all right. The new video you have out right now.
Till further notice.
Yep. The visuals. I like the tree scene thing.
Thank you.
Yeah, it's kind of, it's classy, it's seductive in a sense.
Mm-hmm.
It makes, what it did for me, it made me listen to the song.
I love that.
Yeah. So in terms, there is the shots here, the glamour shots here. Look at me now. That's all there. But while we're looking, we're listening to the song. Is it a true story though?
True as true. And like,
Really?
so this video, this is like really special for me.
Yeah.
Because I wrote the song, helping me to get me out of that exact situation I was in. So when I decided to make the video, I wanted the video to reflect as much of how I was at the time.
At the time, yeah.
So I'm not gonna lie, there was less alcohol. I wasn't that bad. I was not that bad. It wasn't like, yo, bottles to the head. I mean, you know, like, nah.
So you're a drinker then?
Huh?
You're a drinker.
Listen, I'm Carib. What Caribbean is not a drinker?
Me.
I don't know.
No way.
Like,
For real?
no, but
But you like, but
for real,
he say his favorite song was Hennessy though.
yeah, but you
Song.
have people who like to
Song.
drink and people who can drink.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? It's a difference. About
Okay,
liking
alright.
it and can drink
Do
it.
you know what? That was a fantastic statement. I like to drink.
Yeah.
I am not good at it.
Okay, so you don't know like football, but don't mean say I'm a baller.
What you trying to say about my belly?
But this is it. Yeah, I'm not good at it at all. But yeah, so the video though,
Yeah,
the video is literally just that is portraying. So it's like the different emotions that I was going through at the time. So it's
Yeah.
like, you know what? I care. I don't care. I'm vexed. I don't know what to do with myself.
Yeah.
Like, forget life.
Well, the
It is
reason why I'm
them.
that kind of watch the video to the end because me the feel say some drug one still. You don't know me the feel say
Oh Jesus.
me don't get a little twist side
Oh,
to the video,
Jesus.
and you know it keep me interested. I'm like, what I go pre next. So you know,
Literally
I end
just
up
feelings.
watching
Yeah.
the whole entire video.
Because he wanted to see something else.
Normally,
Yeah,
I don't
yeah.
really watch a whole music video. Like, it's not normally me.
Yeah.
But me like, I was wondering like, wonder if something gonna happen in it because you know they start to make these videos now. It's
Yeah.
like a little short movie. So I'm like, but it never nothing like that to be honest.
He's
It's
basically
just
saying
straight
that.
feelings.
He's
It's
saying
just
that
feelings.
He's a bit disappointed. That's all.
No, it's not really disappointed, but like once you start watching a video, you get attached to it in a sense. You keep looking.
Yeah.
But you know what? Like for me, it's anything I put out there, I gotta love it.
Yeah.
Right? And every other person that loves it for me, that is just like a bonus. But this is
Yeah.
like this is real. That was real life. That was a real life situation. It was real life pain that I went through, and I wanted to portray it as true as I could. So it's like, what was I doing in that time? When I was going
I
through
can
that
tell
feeling?
you're not
feel
in
me?
that stage right now
No, but
because I can see you're glowing now.
if I was still in that place, I don't think I could be out here singing it. I'd be
Yeah.
too far. No,
Don't worry, sir.
Do you know what I mean?
If someone
Balling
else
on the
is
camera.
lost, someone else is lost.
Yeah, you know that's it.
Yeah, he's probably watching now. Like, yeah, what's up?
Listen,
But, yeah.
we're good. He knows the song's about him. Literally, when I dropped the song, all of his friends were calling me. It was hilarious. But anyway,
So you go brother.
But, yeah,
but it's all
anyway.
good, man. You gotta-
Moving on.
this is it, man. That's what you have to do.
Simple.
Take the pain, move
All right,
on.
so
2019, you have obviously you released this track. Is there any more big exciting things we should be looking for?
100%. 100%. Yeah.
Give us some intake, some like a insight.
you were a little exclusive. You know, a little exclusive. Just a short piece.
Just
Short exclusive or whatever you have in store for us.
well, I can tell you, I got one special project that's going to be coming soon. That I did in Barbados.
Yep.
Is like, I'm really excited for this project. Really, really, really excited. So, yeah, when springtime comes around, that should be.
That'll be into spring.
Well, my spring start from now. Me I'm a color, so don't know. These are the song. What the guy say? B-Zibes. Yes, spring.
Oh my days. This 2019,
Yeah.
you look serious. You look like you're destined for places.
Thank you.
We're definitely going to be along with you for the journey on that one. And the music video, as you said, you released it. I like how, I must commend you for this. I like how you put it on your channel.
Thank you. Thank
And
you.
If you know people who know me, I like when people put music videos on their channel because it doesn't matter how small it starts, but if it grows, you grow. and everything comes to you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
I love that you said that because everybody's arguing with me right now.
Yeah.
I've had so many people hit me up like, why didn't you put it on like GRM? Why didn't you put it on Link Up? And I'm like, babes, Link Up already have how many million subscribers or how many hundreds of thousands of subscribers. I'm never going to get none if there's nothing on my channel. So I don't have many videos out yet. So at the moment I've got 3, but they're all on my Vivo channel. So I'm happy to at least share that, you know what I mean?
You know what I'd advise you to do now? You see, now that you've released it on your channel and it's there for a while, then when you can find the time or find the money to add it to their channel, then you can put it on their channel after it's been on your channel.
Maybe.
But
I'm like exploring like the bloggers and the this and the that, you know.
Yeah.
Exploring a couple little things.
It is.
But I'm like, as long as it's there on my channel though, that I'm like, yes, this is mine forever.
Yeah.
Cool. Then we're gonna grow, like you said, with the fans.
Yeah.
We're gonna grow together, and God willing, it's gonna be an amazing journey.
Yeah.
Like, I'm just trying to push it. Like,
Yeah, but I'm sorry to cut you, but in the
Yes,
true
please.
fashion of the UpNlive show,
Mm.
we could not leave here without you give us a bit of singing or a bit of freestyle if you're a rapper or something.
You
So
want something?
I'm gonna just put down a track and you're just gonna sing something on it, right?
We're gonna see how this is gonna go. Is this gonna go good?
for real.
Is she ready?
Man. Is she ready?
She's always ready. This is Luv'Rell, people. Right
Oh
here
mate,
live
no
on the
pressure.
UpNlive show.
Wait,
Stage is
just
clear.
can I get some water? me.
Y'all ready?
I don't know, babes. Do I have a choice?
I think she's ready.
You don't have a choice, yeah?
Here we go. Let's go.
Oh man.
That's it.
Yeah. I ain't even gonna lie. No, I ain't got nothing to say. No, but since you asked me, oh, I'ma do this anyway. Yeah. Cause we up in life. We up in life. Hope you keep it up all night. Cause I can be your motivation. Yeah. And if you want it, I can give you some persuasion.
Okay.
Yeah. You know you love it. I'm from London, but I'm Asian. Yeah.
Yes, now.
So you always know the levels I'll be taking. Yeah.
I can't
Some
believe it.
Mazda. What do you want from me, babes? I'm not a
Listen.
freestyle. I'm not gonna lie.
I
I'll
can't
try
believe
a thing.
That
Nah.
was good. That was
I'll
good.
try a thing.
That
I
was
can't
pretty
believe you
dope
actually
still.
freestyle. I was thinking that you're gonna be doing one of your songs to the beat.
That
But
was
yeah,
pretty dope.
It's wicked.
Thank you.
That was dope.
It's wicked. But we know we ain't gonna leave it like that. We can't leave it like that. Jagan, what you got?
No pressure.
I ain't got nothing. You hear what you're gonna do. Give me something
babes.
acapella because you have such a strong vocal.
Yeah.
You know what? I just need to hear it. So
Okay.
yeah.
Just anything, man.
Anything of yours, anything you want to do.
All right.
You could even
Since
sing
you
Jesus
asked
Love
for
Me,
it.
This I Know. Anything
Don't
you want to
listen.
do.
Don't let me go there, boy. I'll get all in my feels. Okay. Yes, Jesus loves me. All right. all right then. For you, Rick. Then. I love him like Hennessy. Very special to me. Yeah. Say I like the way that you make me feel, yeah, very special to me, baby, but I hate you. Well, not really, but you know.
I thought I was in trouble just now.
Never, babes, never.
Definitely. Luv'Rell, definitely. It's a beautiful voice. She has a
you.
classy voice. It's almost like it's I'm in a movie. Yeah.
Oh, thank you, bro.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Rasta give her the seal of approval.
Mm.
And you know, so once Rasta give you the seal of approval, that means you approve. You officially
Thank you.
approve. All right.
Thank
Thank you
you.
very much for making it to the show.
Thank you.
I wish you all the best with the future, and we definitely see you going places.
Thank you.
And we will be supporting you. But before we go, can you just tell our viewers and our listeners how they can find you and find your music online?
Yeah, sure. Like, so my name is Luv'Rell.
Yep.
Luv'Rell. So you just punch that in on your iTunes, on your Apple Music, on your Spotify, wherever you're at. Just punch it in. Same for Instagram, Twitter. Everything is just Luv'Rell. So yeah, check me out. Luv'Rell.com. If you forget.
Oh, you got
Come
your
true.
website?
Yes, babes.
Yeah, that's sick. Dope.
Yes, you know,
Definitely.
trying.
Trending. She's trending.
Trending, babes. Trending. Yeah.
That's it, people. I'm here each and every Tuesday. We're trending here, right? This and every Tuesday, right here on the UpNlive show. And if you're just joining us, we just had the beautiful singing sensation. She go by the name of Luv'Rell. That's Luv'Rell, and she was here this evening with us. She has a beautiful voice. People, check her out. Her stuff on Instagram, Spotify,
Wanna say?
iTunes.
Do remember also the sponsors. UpNlive show was brought to you by Shush Prince, World Mark Entertainment, Vols Prince.
Yep.
You know the thing, alright? I'll become a sponsor them, you don't know where I look at NSC sponsor, NSC one I deal with. NSC Wagwan. Any Wagwan, any? No one if you running on the thing. Or come campaign with the thing, you know what the thing go? Yeah. Okay, let's go.